This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. Easily and fast fix it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. First way is you have to open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps, go to the WhatsApp app right here and click on the storage, click on clear cache and clear data, go back, click on force stop and then go to the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled and then go to the Play Store and search for WhatsApp like this and click here on update if you don't have the latest version. And that's the second way. The third way and the last way is you have to go to the Google Chrome or any browser and then go to the website of WhatsApp and then contact them from here. Just go to the top corner, click on the help center and then go to get in touch and that's it. Click on contact us and contact WhatsApp with your problem from here as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe and thank you very much for watching.